Since I neglected to before, I want to say thank you to all the veterans, especially my beloved uncle. Both of my grandfathers, all of my grandfathers, I guess. I'm very fortunate. I feel blessed that I have a number of grandfathers. Um, Not everyone does, you know? I mean, my Grandpa Wilson I never met. He's still my grandfather. And I never met my mother's natural father. He's still my grandfather. He was an MP in World War II. That's military policeman. My grandfather, Wilson, was a marksman. He was in the last cavalry, which is the last horse soldiers. He was a horseman. He was a marksman. He wrestled. And so, thank you to him. They never deployed him because of his arthritis and the fact that he was 44 years old. So he worked, he was at Fort Bliss where he trained, and he worked stateside after he trained. So, and my grandfather Schmidt, who is basically my adopted grandfather, because to me, he adopted my mom. To him, my mom and her sisters were his kids. He served in World War II and Korea, I think. He was the most incredible man. Can you imagine serving in World War II for the United States with the name Schmidt? I mean, yikes. I'm gonna make myself something with all these frozen fruits. Yummers! I knew I had more of those somewhere. Okay. And like I said, and I adopted my aunt's dad, Liam Courier, as a bonus grandfather. And I told my aunt that. I said, he's a grandpa to me. He never denied my mother, even though she wasn't his child. My mother had his name, and one of his kids, one of his younger kids, because he had like a whole bunch, said to my mother, was he like this when you were a kid? Because he was disciplining his child. And my mother was kind of like, and before she could say anything, Lane Courier said, I wasn't there for her like I should have been. He didn't say she wasn't my daughter. I was like, mind blown, you know? And that must have felt good for my mother. He did other things for her as well, and I'm grateful for him, even though he may not have, paid support for his other kids like he should have and stuff. He had a million of them, so probably why. Oh, I just knocked my ego in the drain. Literally sitting in the drain. So, yeah, holy cow, I got a lot of strawberries here. I had to do something with all these. Okay. Veggies. Ork-galork! Right there. Okay. These strawberries are nice. Those strawberries aren't so nice. So, put these right here. Alright. And I got another popsicle. Yay. Okay. This stuff can stay here. Still have it. Oh my God, you did. Good. All right, I'm gonna get a bag. I do have some things I need to throw away. Didn't think I did, but I did. So I'm gonna get a bag or two here, and throw away the things I need to throw away, which will help. These potatoes stayed way too long. This is a book. These are fine. These are not. Okay. That's it. I will take this out after. Oops. Sorry guys, that was a bag of strawberries. I'm gonna make something with fruit though. Okay, now that everything's out, let's organize. I'm going to put the meat. I put the meat on the top shelf. Put these over here. Because I was having a problem with the. I need this. See if I can get it out of here. Nope. So we just seal it up and throw it away. Alrighty. What is this? Oh, yeah. This I'm keeping though. This is brand new. Actually, no. I want that. I know what that is. That's not what I thought it was. I'm only keeping the ones I'm actually going to eat. Oh, that's terrible. Put these flat ones here on the bottom shelf. There we go. A couple of things I'm putting over there. Okay, this is ham. That is sausage, which is delicious, by the way. This is pork chops. Pork chops and applesauce. You know where that reference is from? You're cool. What the heck happened to my pork wash? There we go. Veggies down here. Sweet potatoes. Oh my goodness, I have delicious veggies. Why am I not eating them? Zucchini blend, otherwise known as zucchini in summer's class. Of course, baby carrots. I didn't think I had any more of these. I like these. Those are fish that, well, they're fish that are shaped like animals. I have this frozen pie crust. Ooh. It's open. So yeah, that's going by right now. Over here, I'm going to put this fish. I need to seal my ravioli somehow. I'm going to seal this. I like big bags. I'm going to double it though. These are thin, so I'm going to double my ravioli bag. Okay. Actually, don't have to double it. So I'll just leave it in this bag. And put this bag in this bag. And it is doubled. Okay. See? Good. This right here. Okay, and I have 2 more spaghetti sauces, which that's neat. I have that fish right there. Okay, and this like that. Nope. Perfect. Okay, what is this? Doesn't sound good. Oh, and it looks even worse. There we go. There we go. All done. Okay, guys, I have blueberries and strawberries, and I think I'm going to mix these up in a bowl with a little bit of sugar. That's what I think I'm going to do. They're going over there anyway. Look at that. Ta-da. That is so much better. Look at that. Now, nothing is against the bag. It's not making funny noises anymore. I'm happy. I'm happy. Now I gotta go do kid missing. Those are going over there, and I'm gonna grab the here. I know technically you're not supposed to keep ice cream in the door, but these are pops. Let's put those there for 1 second. So I'm not going to worry too much about it, because it's not like I opened this door and I didn't have that. I really don't. Oh. Just kind of dump them out. Okay. There's the door. I have these, of which I will have one. I'm moving right on here. That's tougher for sure. But I think I'm going to take these and do that. Then I will pour them in bags in the freezer. So I'll probably use some blackberries in my little fruit salad concoction too. And that's what I'll have with my dinner. Which, by the way, is the skin on boneless chicken thighs that, okay, they're Bell and Evans. Where did they come from? Yeesh, I wish I knew. They're down to $1.99. I wish I knew where they came from, but because this would be perfect for me to get. But that's what I'm having. I remember it came from the food pantry. Okay. So, thank you guys so much for joining me. God bless you. Have a wonderful rest of your day. I'm going to do the kid missing video. then I'm going to make the fruit salad. So, I will see you for that. Bye, guys. Do not forget, Kathy Moulton, Kid Missing.